Hello guys, so I have a duck pooping in my roof. So what kind of tool am I gonna use to scare it away? The Mavic 3, the Mavic Mini, or the Mavic Air 2? Anyway guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Tello drone. You can see here some micro level, you would say. And I'm gonna actually just scare the duck away to stop pooping in my roof. Not harm this duck. So basically, I just want it to fly away. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this Tello drone.
All right, Tello's up. And see, because he's pooping right there. Look at that. Pooping on the roof. Okay. See if he'll get scared. Trying to scare the ducky. Alright, buddy. Like, look at that. How can I get it out? Okay. Okay, come down. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna do some flips. So I'm gonna stop doing this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and scare him. See if he will do it. Oh no, I don't have enough. Alright. Just put in a fast mode here. Yeah, he's not scared. Look at that. Okay. Get off. There you go. That's it. Now he's out. Wow. So anyway, that's how you get it out.
Guys, so this is also a good tool to use. Look at it for the gutters. You see all those leaves? It's also good for inspection also, especially on the roof. Anyway, guys, so this is the raw footage. You can see here where the ducks are. And I mean, right now, this Ryze Tello in 2021, it's still good. Look at it. So it's actually a 720p HD footage here you can see. But just imagine if DJI, or Ryze Tello came out with the second version of this, and has the 27K camera and also a 4K camera with this size and all this. I mean, look at it. Just the stabilization is still pretty good on a Ryze Tello. There's really no cheap drone around. I would say $100 that can do this. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'm just showing you what else you can do with your Ryze Tello. It's a mind blowing, I would say.